Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your image when you create it and you don't want others to download it. Okay, now I'll go to search. When you go to Spark, search creations, I'll look up my name, Puvi, and here you have all my creations, and I'm going to download some of them, and I do not want to share them. I want to have them for myself. Okay, this one. I select it, and then I've downloaded it already. Look, after you download it, you check down here if it's downloaded, and then you scroll down. You go here, remove listing. Remove listing. So it will be removed from like the community feed. It will be removed from it. Okay, let me go back. Where am I? Community feed. It will take a little bit time, but it will be removed. Okay, and then I'm going to show you where you can still find it even when you remove it from there. But if you still want to download it, it's still in your system, in your account. Let's go there. I'll go to my account. I'll scroll down, and here you see downloads and license keys. Here you see you can still download it from here. Okay, you can still download it. Click on it, and it will be downloaded into your computer. So when you remove it from the community feed, don't think it's lost. You remove it from other people to download it, but you still have it under your subscriptions and downloads and license keys. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching.